So if you're new here today, my name is Ebere, and please guys don't forget to like, comment and share, and give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. So without wasting too much of your time, into today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I cook Nsala soup. So if you are interested, you want to know how I make the delicious Nsala soup, then keep on watching. Everything here has been washed, ready to cook. I'm gonna be explaining to you what I've got here. I've got my pot here, it's been washed, and I've got my tomato. I'm gonna be blending it, my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna be blending it together with the tomato. This is my Maggi, salt, a teaspoon of salt. I've got my roasted turkey, my tilapia fish, I've got my dry fish, my smoked chicken, I've got my yam. This yam, you use it to thicken up the soup. So basically it works as a thickener. So I'm cutting my yam. So I'm gonna be peeling off the back. So I've been washed. Adding water to cook it. The yam is cooking. I think it's done. Yeah, the yam is done. So I'm cutting my smoked chicken. So I'm gonna be adding it in the pot. So add some water. So after adding the water, I'm gonna cover it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So the meat is cooking now. I'm putting my blended tomato and scotch bonnet pepper. So give it a little bit stirry. This is my blended yam for thickening up the soup. So I'm going to be adding it. I'm putting some water because I think the water is a bit small. So I'm adding a little bit water. So I'm going to cover it to cook. So as you can see, the soup is cooking now. And the soup is ready. It's done. Ready to go. You can see how yummy it looks like. Delicious. So guys, this is called ofe Nsala. You can use fresh fish and dry fish to cook it with otaze leaf, but I decided to cook it in this way. I do cook fresh and dry fish with otaze, but I also cook this type as well. So I decided to cook this type. So whichever way you want is okay, but obviously this is so yummy. This is very tasty and yummy. So I'm preparing the food which I'll be using to eat the soup. This is wheat, so I'm cooking the wheat to use it to eat the soup. So you can, whichever of your choice, you can use fufu to eat it, which is called in my language apple, or you can use pounded yam, which is called niji, or you can as well eat it as pepper soup, or you can even eat it with rice. So yeah, so guys, this is the end of this video. Please like, comment and share, and give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Love you all.